In this video, we will learn the use of event attributes to do our editing fast. That means, suppose for example, if you add different type of effect in this video clip and want to add the same effect event attributes in the another video clip, then you can do that easily just in a click. So without any further delay, let's start it. Let's say in my first video clip, I add some brightness and contrast. This time I increase brightness a little bit and also increase the contrast like this. This is the previous one and this is the after adding brightness and contrast. Now this time I add vignette video effect. Alright. Now let's say if you want to add the same effect in the second video clip, then process is pretty simple. You don't need to add this effect manually. Simply select your first clip and right click on this and hit on copy. And then select your second clip and right click on this and select paste event attributes. Look, we just successfully add the same effect in our second video clip.
Tight shots. For every Austin Evans video, he curls these 856 times, and that is a secret to those Ekins gains. Very well thought out. Here's the
to fly, or you can have your phone, or you can have a remote, but we don't have it yet. Let's plug the battery and show you around the drone how it.
Or if you want to add any of these event attributes manually, then simply right click on this and select selectively paste event attributes. Then check any of your preferred settings that you want to copy and hit on OK. So this is basically the use of paste event attributes. It really helps us a lot to do our editing fast. Thank you so much for watching.